Look around you for a moment. The room you're sitting in, the people you hear every day, the routines that quietly shape your mornings and nights. Now ask yourself this one question. Is this environment building my dreams or slowly killing them? Because most people don't fail due to lack of talent. They don't fail because they're lazy. They don't fail because they didn't want it badly enough. They fail because they stayed too long in places that drained them. And the most dangerous part is this. Most environments don't destroy dreams loudly. They do it silently, day by day, habit by habit, conversation by conversation. Your environment is stronger than your motivation. You can watch inspiring videos. You can make plans at night. You can dream big when no one is watching. But if you wake up every day in an environment full of distraction, negativity, fear, comfort, and small thinking, your dreams don't stand a chance. Seeds don't grow in poisoned soil, and neither do ambitions. Your environment isn't just where you live. It's who you listen to. The voices around you shape the voice inside your head. People who mock your goals. People who normalize mediocrity. People who say things like, be realistic. Why are you stressing yourself? Just enjoy life. They may not hate you, but they fear what your growth says about their stagnation. And slowly, without realizing it, you begin to shrink your dreams to fit their comfort. You stop talking about your ideas. You stop believing as strongly. You stop trying as hard. Not because you changed, but because your environment trained you to stay small. Your routines are also part of your environment. What you do daily matters more than what you dream occasionally. If your days are filled with endless scrolling, noise without purpose, constant distraction, and no silence to think, your future is being shaped by default. Dreams require space. They need focus. They need discipline. Chaos suffocates clarity. And here's the hard truth most people don't want to hear. Willpower is not enough in the wrong environment. Try eating healthy in a house full of junk food. Try focusing in a room full of noise. Try dreaming big around people who think small. Eventually, even the strongest mind gets tired. That's not weakness. That's reality. If you constantly feel drained, unmotivated, or stuck for no clear reason, it may not be you. It may be your environment. Here are the signs. Be honest with yourself. You feel energized when you're alone, but exhausted around certain people. You procrastinate more than you plan. You feel guilty for wanting more out of life. Your dreams start to feel unrealistic lately. Your ambition feels quieter than it used to be. That's not you losing drive. That's your environment draining it. Growth always demands uncomfortable decisions. Sometimes it means spending more time alone. Sometimes it means changing routines. Sometimes it means outgrowing friendships. Sometimes it means leaving familiar places that no longer serve your future. Not because you're better than anyone else, but because you owe your future a chance. You cannot become a new version of yourself in an environment that rewards the old one. And yes, it's hard, lonely, uncomfortable. But comfort has buried more dreams than failure ever did. One day, you'll look back and realize something painful but freeing. It wasn't lack of talent. It wasn't laziness. It wasn't bad luck. It was the environment you stayed loyal to while it slowly suffocated your potential. Change your environment, and your life will begin to change with it. If this message spoke to you, you're not alone. This channel exists for people who are rebuilding quietly, thinking deeply, and choosing growth even when it hurts. Subscribe to Busy Minds Thrill. Train your mind. Protect your environment. And give your dreams the space they deserve.